I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to install the SPFX edition of Calendar Browser. I'm going to show you that in SharePoint Online. First of all, you need to get to the app catalog. The easiest way, if you have the permissions, is to go through Admin and then go to the SharePoint Admin Center. And then in the SharePoint Admin Center, you go to More Features and Apps. Once you're in the app catalog, things are rather easy. If you can't get there, then most likely you don't have the required permissions and you need to ask somebody else in your organization to do this. Now, once you're here, you upload the file and make sure that you have the SPFX package for online. That's the one I have downloaded here. So I'm just uploading that. That takes a few seconds. And then you get the question, what do you want to do? Do you want to enable it on all sites so that it can be used anywhere in your organization? Or you want it to be added to each site manually? I'm going to do the simple solution here. I'm just going to enable this app and add it to all the sites at the same time. That means that I can go back to my CB demo site here. Once this is done, now I go back to my CB demo site here. I'll just create a new page. Blank page, and add a title. There, just the CB, that's fine. And then I'll remove the banner here. We don't need that. And just add all web parts there, and then search for Calendar Browser. Just add that there. Okay, now I've got added to the next one. All right, that's fine. We'll just remove that. I can just remove this text here and remove all the default parts that I don't want in my page. As you see, the Calendar Browser web part is there and it's not showing anything now, and that's because we're in edit mode. But once you've published this page now, there you see the Calendar Browser logo, get started and all that. So now Calendar Browser is working, and you can go into the settings and just add a calendar. If you already had a calendar in this site, that would show up there. So let's just do events here and just create one of those, and that will create it for you automatically. And there's Calendar Browser in action. So that concludes my demo on how to install Calendar Browser, the SPFX edition, on SharePoint Online. Thank you for watching.